Hi, everybody. It's Mr. Glasses.
And learning adventures for kids.
We've had fun teaching you all sorts of things this week about learning how to code. Eden, what's been your favorite thing?
I think so far it's been the clicker game.
The clicker game. Why don't we make another game today?
Yeah, let's do that.
What kind of game do you want to make?
A pong game.
All right. Today's lesson, we're going to learn about a pong game
Variables.
and operators. Let's get started. Today, we are going to make a
Pong game.
pong game. All right. Are there any tutorials on how to do this?
Yep.
Well, let's see. We'll click tutorials and we'll do pong game. Let's watch.
You can use Scratch to make a pong game. Bounce a ball or something else and score points to win. First, let's pick a backdrop. I'll pick this one. Let's choose an object to bounce around. I'll pick this ball. We can make the ball move with this block. Let's see what happens if we put it in a loop. Nice. Now, it seems to be stuck on the edge. Let's try adding this block. If on edge, bounce inside the loop. Okay, great. It's moving back and forth. Let's see if we can make it bounce at an angle. I'll make it point at an angle and start the code by clicking the green flag. Now, let's add another sprite that the player can use to hit the ball. I'll pick the paddle. I'll drag the paddle to the bottom, and I want the player to be able to move the paddle side to side by moving the mouse. So I'll make the paddle go across the stage when the mouse moves. And I'll add a green flag on top. Click the green arrow to find out how to hit the ball with the paddle, add a score, and more.
All right. I think we can do that, Eden. What do you think?
I think we can too.
Okay. So we want to make a... What kind of pong game do we want to make?
Well, maybe we should use a star to hit to be our ball.
Okay. What would you like to be our ball?
A star.
Okay. Okay. And what is going to be our paddle?
I think our paddle should be cat flying.
The flying cat is our paddle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Flying.
Okay. And then what about a backdrop?
Maybe blue sky too.
Okay.
I like blue sky too.
All right. Do you want to put any clouds or anything in the sky?
Yeah, let's do some clouds. I like clouds that have different costumes. Clouds.
You want clouds?
Yep. And you can make them change shape every second.
Okay.
Do you want to do that? Make them change shape?
Yeah, let's. How do you make them change shape?
So, we are going to click forever and looks. Can make it do. Wait, next costume. We need people to see the costumes. So we'll wait 1 second. And then we'll put a green flag on top. Let's see what this does.
Oh, nice. Okay, I did not know about that. Well, we should probably do it to the other cloud too, huh?
Yeah.
So, when clicked, forever, wait 1 second, and then do next costume. Is that correct?
Yep.
Okay.
I have an idea on backdrops.
Okay, what's your idea on backdrops?
So, go on backdrops, color effect. This is more color changing. 1, forever. So it will be like the sun setting.
Oh, pretty. Whoa, fun. Alright, I like that. Okay, now I think the tutorial said we needed to get this cat to go back left or back and forth, right?
Right.
And we want to do it with our mouse.
Yep. So let's get the forever block.
Okay.
Go on sensing.
Sensing or motion?
We do both of them.
Okay.
You can do either one first. Mouse X and motion to set X to mouse X.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Let's see how this works.
Alright, so now that's going back and forth. That seems like we're doing good. Alright, now we got to get probably the star that's our bouncer moving around, don't we?
Yeah.
Alright, so probably our favorite one, forever.
Yeah, forever.
When clicked.
And they said point in a direction.
Okay, so we need to move, but you want it to point.
In a direction.
Okay, so point. How about
45?
Okay. Alright, now let's see what happens. Oh, it disappeared.
If on edge bounce.
Oh, that's right.
Forgot it.
Okay, where do we put that? Under. If on edge bounce, we do not want this thing to fly away. Okay, that seems pretty good.
On backdrops. Again. Maybe if we can make it maybe like do 0.5 seconds. And if it gets to red and you don't have at least 1 point, that would be with our operators, then maybe game over.
Oh, dear. Okay, well, let's first make the cat touch the star, right?
Yeah, first things first.
First things first. Alright, so, let's see. Okay, forever. This is going to be like a touching one, right?
Yes.
Okay, so if. Oh, we probably also need an if. If. Oh, yeah, that's under sensing. Alright, so if touching the flying cat, we want to maybe turn it, point in a direction, and move it 10 steps, like that. And we probably need to keep score, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay. Kitty points, right?
Yep.
Okay. And we change the kitty point by 1. Okay, very good. Now, if we're starting the game, we probably want to set the kitty points to 0.
Yeah.
Alright, now let's see what happens. Okay.
I have an idea. It's with the backdrops. I
Okay.
did that earlier. Now can we get to it?
Yep. Alright, so we'll stop that. And, alright.
Backdrops.
Okay.
So we are going to add a wait 0.3 second or 0.5 second block, and forever if let's see what wait a second. How about if it goes there, if forever, if we should maybe make how much color it has on this. And equals 75 . Then say we're going to make it have a pop sound. And I know there's a way we can make this stop.
What, the whole game?
Yeah, after we make, we can do it with the sounds. Do you have any idea what we should do, Mr. Glasses?
Well, why don't we make everything hide?
Yeah, with our show and hide.
Okay.
And we can do it.
So
Wait, we have to put this block.
Yep. Alright, so if color is 75, then pop, and then maybe change our background to game over, right?
Yeah, neon tunnel. Whoa, I like that. That's cool. How else does that change is what I'm doing.
Okay, neon tunnel.
And we have to make everything a neon tunnel. Hide. once I'm on hide, I'll do this, and then I'll do 1, 10 all. And let's put backdrop.
Okay.
Let's put our first backdrop up here. On this one. Do we want the clouds to show?
Let's make those disappear, and then I think we need to finish this up because we are running out of time.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so
Hide. Baby boy.
okay, very good. And let's do this, which is when clicked, we want to switch to backdrop. Wait.
I already did that on cat flying.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Can we try it out?
Yep.
Oh no. We
Alright.
have to make it sure it shows whenever.
Oh, that's right. Okay, so. Alright, when backdrop switches to blue sky, then we show, right?
Right.
Okay. Alright, let's try out our game. Alright.
Oh, colors changing. Well, at least you have a lot of kitty points.
True.
That still does make it game over.
Okay, so
Game over. Hey.
I think the color has to be 75, remember?
Oh yeah, 75.
Alright, very good.
Hey, does this still change color? I don't know why it changed color.
Alright. Cool. Well, that is our game, everybody.
Wow. See, that changed colors.
Nice.
It's like a glow and you're falling.
Thank you for listening, everybody. Don't forget to
Check us out.
at,
Learning Adventures for Kids.
and just to remind everybody, our website is learningadventureforkids.com.
Adventure.
All right, have a great day.